I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone because updates need power and connectivity. Make sure the battery is at least 50% and you're on a stable Wi-Fi. Open Galaxy Store or Google Play depending on your device, then locate Samsung's Smart Switch. You should back up important data first using Smart Switch or Samsung Cloud. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, tap the app page so you're ready to install an available update. This prevents mid-update interruptions and speeds the process. You tap Update and watch the progress indicator because the app must fully download before installation. Large updates may take several minutes. When prompted, grant permissions. Smart Switch requests, storage, and USB access are common because the app needs them to transfer and detect devices. After the installer finishes, open Smart Switch once or restart the phone if the system requests it. This ensures background services are restarted and new features or fixes are applied correctly so transfers run smoothly. You finish by verifying the update. Open Smart Switch, go to About or Settings, and confirm the version matches the release notes. Then run a small test transfer or backup so you can confirm connectivity and permissions work as expected. If you hit errors, clear the app cache and data or uninstall and reinstall from Galaxy Store. This fixes corrupted downloads or conflicting files. If reinstalling doesn't help, make sure Android system updates are current and then try again. That often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.